Hey everybody, welcome back to my vlog. I'm Raven Maureen, and this is my weekly vlog series where I share little tidbits about sewing at work, sewing at home, and just little things about my life. So right now I'm working on McCall's 8358, which is a vintage pattern. It's a Laura Ashley pattern, and it's super popular, super girly and pretty, and I'm making mine in white. A few takeaways that I have for this pattern is that it is just one sheet of instructions, haha, and it takes about 7 to 8 yards of fabric depending on how wide your fabric is. So after cutting all of my pieces, I really don't have that much fabric left. And as you can see, my fabric is pretty crinkly, so I'm not sure how well my fabric is really going to hold up against this pattern. So we shall see. So it's Friday, April 12th, and things are really coming together with my new dress. At first, it was a lot of trusting the process because I really did not know how the shapes were going to come together, but they are coming together and they're actually starting to form a wrap dress. So this makes me feel very confident. Hey y'all, so today is Monday and I have quite a few errands to run today. So I'm in my errands outfit. Not really, I just call it that because I wear it a lot to run errands, but I guess you can call it errands core. Either way, I've got to return some stuff, stop by the post office, just a whole bunch of stuff. So come with me. So I just left out of the post office, and the issue is that it's an international order, and I think I talked about this on another vlog where I had to go to the post office and actually like fill out the paperwork for the customs form because Etsy didn't ship to that country. Well, the customer reached out to me and said, hey, I haven't gotten my package. So I just did some investigating, and it just looks like it's literally moving really slow through the post office system, unfortunately, because it's like down in Miami, which is good that it's moving through the system, but also bad that it's moving so slow. But it just goes to show you, like, you know, you really don't have any control as far as like how long or how short it takes for something to get shipped. So I am going to update the customer and let her know that I did get some information about it, but basically I got to come back like Thursday or Friday to really see if the package has moved out of the country yet. So stay tuned. After leaving the post office, I came home to work on more Etsy orders. So it's Tuesday, April 16th, and this is one of the more stressful days at work. So not only is like every machine being used, every station, like someone is steaming or hand sewing or making phone calls. I don't know what happened, but we have like pretty much 10 dresses to finish before Thursday and Friday, which are our pickup days. So all of us are just literally working as fast and as hard as we can on all of these dresses. I am on dress number 4 and I have one more dress to do after this. And it's tense in here. Like you could cut the tension with a knife. And we're not necessarily like upset with one another. I just think that it's like a really stressful situation. So this is a mother of the groom dress. It was a rush dress, meaning that she came in last week. I fitted her, and literally 2 days before she has to pick up her dress, I am sewing this baby. So, yeah. So today I have washed my hair, I got my nails done. Kind of don't like my nails, but it's also kind of my fault because I wanted this design that I saw on Pinterest. And she did the design, but it's just not for me. Anyway, let's move on. So I'm gonna get started on pre-washing my my frocktails fabric. I'm actually not going to pre-wash the I'm not going to pre-wash the 3D flowers, and I'm not going to pre-wash the organza or the tulle. And I know that's like a little bit like opposite of what I normally do, but with this fabric, it's so, I don't want to say it's delicate. Well, the 3D fabric one is pretty delicate, but it's just so nuanced, and I just don't want to mess with it. So the only thing I'm going to actually pre-wash is my poly satin. So this is the poly satin that I got from my Mood mystery box. It's like, I think only a yard or something like that. So I actually went to Hobby Lobby and got some more. So they're like literally 2 different shades, like just off by a hair. So the lighter pink really goes well with the 3D fabric, and this one doesn't go as well with it. So I think I'll make this my lining fabric and make this my underlining fabric. It'll all make sense in the video when I do it. But either way, I'm gonna pre-wash this today, and yeah, that'll be that. So I have been working on McCall's 8358, and I actually filmed an entire vlog explaining that process. And after this evening with attaching the bottom ruffle, I had to put this project on pause. So this was actually the last night that I have worked on this dress. There's something going on with the hem, but I have got to get to my frocktails dress, and I just don't have time to figure it out right now. So I did kind of like, I guess, archive or preserve all of my footage that I have from making this this dress, and then once I actually can like devote more attention to it again, I'm going to revisit this and just see what went wrong, where I can kind of recoup or even just fix it. But I'm not ready to talk about it right now. Like, me and this dress need like a hard break. So yeah. So today is Thursday and I actually have the sewing room to myself. And normally I don't like that feeling, but today I'm all right with it because, I mean, like I said, on Tuesday it was so many people. But right now I'm working on a Mother of the Bride dress, and even though this is like a wine autumn color, I sense from the lady that bought it and that is getting the alterations that she's really into like nature and whatnot. I believe they're getting married in the mountains, and she's going to be wearing her cowboy boots with this, so it looked really nice on her when we did the fitting and whatnot. So I do have to do a hem on this, and I also have to take in the sides and whatnot. But basically, this has kind of been a pretty busy day because all those dresses that we were working on Tuesday, well, they half of them pretty much got picked up today. So I've been trying to work on this dress intermittently between pickups and whatnot. And so far the pickups have been, well, I'll put it to you like this. Everybody's been taking their dress home. There were a few personalities that I didn't really enjoy, but everybody is taking their dress home, and that is a win, darling. Thank you all so much for watching my vlog. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and leave a comment if you like this video. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.